What's up, guys? This is game one of me and Trevor. The toys versus the Sams. I'm running the Sams, and Trevor's running the wind-up toys.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get on cut. And then, like points, which one?
Oh, I got.
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. And we're dicing it up.
I got 2.
Alright.
Put it down a little bit.
I got 4. I'll go first. Alright. Activate Rhoda.
Okay.
Copy.
Oh boy.
Set 1. No more Samakagi.
Oh, we might need to move this up a bit.
Move it up.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. No more Kagi effect.
Okay.
Ooh, shit, I messed up. Take that back. Is that cool?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Alright, first gateway.
Alright.
Then normal Samakagi. 2 counters. Special summon. 4 counters. Sync.
And here he comes.
Oh yeah, buddy.
She is.
6 counters.
Oh boy.
Hmm. And then on my turn.
Draw a phase. Set 3.
Damn.
Reborn.
Okay.
Kagi.
Oh, Kagi. Oop. 2, 4, 8 counters.
Okay. Oh, damn, that's true. Shark.
Okay.
Effect.
Okay.
To 3. Zen Mighty.
Bottoms.
Damn. Alright. And my turn. Damn.
Draw.
Good ass bottomless. I knew I should have went Zen Maidens.
Yeah, I was hoping. I'm just like, I saw Shark and I'm just like, damn, is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it?
You wanted me to go for the loop, you jerk.
I did. Remove 4.
Okay.
Search out. Special summon keys on.
Okay.
That's 2 more, so 6 on gateway. Remove 4 again.
Yep.
I have 2 special summon other keys on. It's 4 again.
Okay.
Search.
Oh my god.
Special summon keys on.
Oh lord.
That's 2. some shenanigans.
Oh, you're a jerk.
So that's 2 on that. Monster Reborn.
Oh my god.
That's 4.
Yep.
For 6. Barkio.
I'll warning that.
Ooh, that's tough.
Not a big fan of Barkio.
So that's 4 on there. Alright, well, remove 4.
Oh, wow.
Some keys on. That's 2 on Gateway. Yeah. Overlay for 3.
Great. I'm about to get wrecked.
Shock. Okay, so 2 on Gateway. Oh, you have Kagamusha in here?
Oh yeah, he's my bad.
You good? Or just let him. Since it's 2. Effect?
Okay.
Traps?
Damn.
Attack for 23. And 25. And end turn.
Draw. Oh, thanks.
And
End turn.
effect.
Okay.
Traps. How many do I have in here?
Yo, if you pull him out, I'm gonna be so.
No. Shockmaster.
2 bus effect.
Yep. Shark buff attack. And then 25.
Yep, that's game.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh shit. Alright.
Yeah, I got worked.
Damn, you're lucky too. If I had one more turn, I have double edge, grand soil, compulse, and magic. Yeah.
I was hoping you'd call monster effects.
No.
So you could attack, be like, I'll be like cylinder, you'd be like Shia, I'll be like chain.
Compulse.
Yeah.
Alright, that's 1.
Jerk.
Sorry. Don't forget. Oh, no, he's banished.
Oh yeah. Damn it.
Sams take the first win.
It's so fast.
So quick. I don't know if you know I had another card in there. Okay. There you go. Blah 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 blah. Alright. Round 2.
I'm definitely going first.
Alright.
Right, draw phase.
Alright.
Set 1.
Mm-hmm.
Summon Thunder King.
Ew.
And end turn.
Alright. Draw. of scared of that face down. So, heavy.
Oh man.
Oh, okay. Not that scared. Namoto no Kage.
Okay.
Special summon Kakamusha.
Yep.
Special summon Kiza.
Yep.
Asceticism.
Okay.
What do I want to give on? Let's do it on Elder, on Kagamusha, so I get Elder. Yeah, where the heck is it? There it is. Elder.
Okay.
And set that card. Alright. Let's see. Just overlay these two. Go.
I'll negate that.
Alright. Attack for 18. I don't think I want to. And I'm in my turn.
Draw phase.
Alright.
Summon tour guide.
Yep.
Activate effect.
Yep. This is gonna suck. I can tell already.
Tour bus.
Yeah.
Overlay. Granosaurus.
Alright.
Let's see. Attack Kagamusha.
Okay.
Activate effect. So you take 1,000.
Alright. That's fine.
And tour bus effect.
Connect the deck. Or
Yeah. And end my turn.
set one. And my turn.
Draw. Summon Hunter.
Yeah.
Granosaurus.
Yep.
Activate effect.
Take 1,000. So I take 1,200.
Yep. And Hunter attack.
You take 4.
Jerk. Enter.
Draw. Enter.
Draw. Summon Rat.
Yeah.
Overlay.
Okay.
How do I want to do this? Send Mighty.
Alright.
Activate effect.
Okay.
Summon Rat.
See, that's why he's at 1.
Yeah. Because this loop would be way too good.
No, it was way too good.
Yeah.
Until they hit him.
Skullbark's gonna be back at 3.
No.
Never.
That's like saying Chien's back at 3.
No.
I'll take that. If your guy's back at 3, I'll shit, they better
Effect.
fix. Yeah. Hunter.
And Hunter effect.
Pop. Graveyard.
Yep. Overlay.
Ooh. Good.
Leviathan Dragon effect.
Card. It's a nice looking card back there.
Avarice.
Wow. Really? You have targets?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, you do. Shuffle looks good.
Got better.
Yeah.
Way better.
Yeah, it looks good, but yeah.
Oh.
It looks good.
Except for that. Draw.
Oh, hurry. Oh. There. Yeah.
Forgot about the cut.
Yeah.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
Now you'll never know.
Draw 1. Draw 2. Set 2.
Damn, you said I did 2
Attack.
cards to a set.
And attack.
2,000. Got it.
End turn.
Set. Go.
Draw. Tour guide.
Okay.
Activate effect.
Wow. You drew. Oh, yeah, 2. That's right.
Oh, good. Where are you at? Tour bus.
Uh huh.
Oh boy. Overlay.
Okay.
Zen mange.
Okay.
Oh boy, did I mess up?
I don't know.
I might have. Attack for 2,000
Okay.
and attack for 25.
You got it.
Yes.
Nice.
I think I might actually main deck Grenosaurus.
Yeah, it's not that bad. I took 2,000 off of that card. Sucks.
Like that's just 2,000 damage just for destroying a monster.
I mean, it could be like a crappy monster in defense, and you
Yeah,
still
for
take
real.
1,000 for it.
It's like you take 1,000 for having a crappy monster.
Yeah, I know, right? Who told you to suck that guy? Alright, round 3.
Game 3.
Let's start. 6. I'm definitely going first.
Yeah, we're good on time.
Alright. Coggy?
Okay.
Effect?
Baylor.
Set 2. Go.
Draw. Set 3.
Okay.
Summon Hunter.
Bonus.
And end turn.
Summon. Let me draw. Summon. Summon Kagi.
Torrential.
Train.
Okay.
Special Shogun.
Oh god.
Exceed. I mean exceed. Sync.
Synchro.
So all my terms messed up. Chien.
Oh boy.
25. 25.
That 5,000.
5,000 to the face. Alright, here you go.
This is not good. Oh, this is not good.
The brothers from hell.
Hell yeah.
Either I can go off first turn.
Reborn?
I did. What's your target?
Kagam or Kageki?
God, that's fucking dark hole. Negate. Damn.
Set 1, enter.
Yeah, buddy. Really?
Okay. Oh, hell to the no. How dare you?
Scrap effect.
Okay.
25.
Oh, damn, not 25,000. Alright.
Okay, go. That's something? Yeah, really. Yeah, go.
Draw. These are two really good cards. These two cards are really good. It's just a matter of what do I want.
Yeah, of course. I misplayed. You know, I should have done something else. That would have been better for a different card.
Right.
When I
Tour
switched
guide.
mode. Yeah.
Activate effect.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Tour bus.
Or bus. Okay.
Overlay.
The mighty. Where is he? Where is thou?
And mighty.
Yeah.
Activate effect.
Yeah, I should have held on to that effect together. Who you gonna get? Probably a rat. My best guess.
You're damn right.
Yeah. Use rat's effect. Put that defense up. Ah, damn. You have 500 life points.
I know. I only have 500 too.
Yeah. Okay.
Overlay.
Alright. What are you going for? You got acid bomb. Damn. Oh, good. Okay.
Attack.
5.
Enter.
Draw.
Oh lord.
Well, hey man. Normal?
Okay.
Effect?
Yep. Oh, jerk.
Alright.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Enter.
Draw phase.
Any phase 1.
How do I defeat Zen Maidens?
Exactly.
Effect.
Okay.
And then tour bus effect. Oh well, that would activate after this.
Yeah. I mean, you could target my graveyard or yours.
Who do I want?
Magician. Figured.
I don't got no more rats.
I know. You used them all.
For real, what the fuck?
Yeah, banish.
Tour buses effect. I will send.
What tool do you send? Aw.
No, not even. I'm gonna get rat back.
Alright.
Oh my god, look at that freaking life point difference.
75, 500.
That's so weak.
That 5,000 hurt.
It really did.
They're brothers from hell. Sheehan brothers. Great show event, Sheehan legendary 6 Samson.
Summon rabbit.
Okay.
Activate effect.
Alright.
Magician effect.
Alright.
Night.
Damn, if you had Photon Pepper Peel, that would hurt.
Yeah, I know. Shoot, if I could get rid of Zen mains right now if I had that.
Yeah.
But I don't. Overlay.
Overlay.
What do I want? What's up, Shark Drake?
Utopia.
Attack.
Detach. You attack with Golem.
End phase.
Utopia.
Jerk.
Yeah.
And enter.
Reinforcements.
Okay.
Trainbow.
Okay. Golem's gonna end me.
Yep.
I already know it.
That's what I figured.
That better be Dark Hole.
I'd be so mad.
That better be Dark Hole.
Set one face down.
Okay.
And turn.
Draw face. Stand face. Oh boy.
Alright, can you kill me? Where's that game?
I got this.
Oh shit.
I must think.
Yep.
I have to get rid of Golem.
50 seconds.
Damn.
Is there any way of getting rid of him?
I don't know. I don't think so. So just have to. I'm getting rid of Zen mains at least. Effects. Attack Zen mains. And end my turn.
Alright. Draw. Enter. Good game.
Yeah. I freaking had Starlight. Watch Dark Hole. Oh, warning.
Warning.